Okay, today Friday. Today I continue with the electrical connector that was broken. This does have any problem in this one. This here there was a problem. Alright? So I already fixed it, I already replaced it. And ready to put it back in place. I want to use my both hands. Let's continue with the rest to finalize the engine. Okay, now the belt back in place, the cap for the alternator, the other one for the positive I'm talking about, for the starter and the heat shield back in place. The plug, I think I showed you this earlier. One checkup on the engine, what's remaining when it comes out of the engine stand. Torque down the damper pulley, flex plate, and then securing it properly on the pallet, and goes for shipping. That's it pretty much. It will gonna follow more M157s. There is another one, not another one, I have another 4 outside actually, but you're gonna see, you're gonna see. Again, I'm not gonna be so much details. It's exactly the same like all the time. Because there are some used engines outside, I'm gonna show you the before and after, let us see, something like that. But when I have to, with the clean parts, ready parts that I said that I had it here inside, okay, what should I show you? It was cleaner and make it a little bit cleaner, or it was a little bit dusty. Usually what's happening? On the new engines, they have some dust on it, they have, let us say, some corrosion because some smart people, they are washing it to look nice. For example, if it has a dust, they are washing it, they're not blowing very well, and then you see outside a little bit corrosion, it's coming wide in a couple of spots. Yeah. That's it. I'm gonna show you also where I'm gonna torque down the damper pulley and the installation of the flex plate, and we're gonna be on the pallet. We're gonna see that again before they close in the box. Now the engine is ready outside of the engine room. It's not this. That's not the engine. And it's not also this engine. And it's not this. Is the engine. Okay, now the flex plate. Mr. Omar, he found for me one second. It looks beautiful. Alright, the previous one was a little bit rusty. So then, torquing down the damper pulley. Alright, installing the flex plate. And then, did you call that guy to come to prepare the pallet and the box? Ah, by the way, since I'm here, all the engines have an engine number, by the way. This is this one, 157981. The rest, it's for the eyes of the new owner of this engine. I'm just saying. So, yeah, we're looking good, good. Let's put the flex plate, torque down the damper pulley, and move on. Relax, Mr. Roma, relax, okay? Flex plate back in place, the damper pulley torqued down. Alright, that's it. Now it's a responsibility for the other guy. Philip, talk to the other guy to come to fix the box for the engine, okay? We are waiting for him.
Oh, for Arvin?
Yes, I don't remember his name. How many years now? That's it, thank you very much.